Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide image, video, documents in Infinix Note 40 device. So for hiding, all you guys have to do first of all go to gallery to select the picture which you want to hide. Right now I have only these pictures, so I want to hide this. All you guys have to do just click on more and then click to hide. So this item will be moved to xhide and will not be displayed in album. So just click to hide and all you guys have to do first time set the password for the xhide. Now click to next step and then again re-enter the password. Now click to OK. So as you see, the picture is now moved from here to xhide and I will not be able to see picture here. So for the picture, all you guys have to do first of all go to phone master and then we have option of xhide here. So just enter the password which you set and click to picture. So the picture will be saved here. And if you hide any video, so it will be appear here. And if you hide any document, so it will be appear here. And if you want to again unhide this, so all you guys have to do is click here and then unhide this. So it will be again appear on the gallery. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.